So, okay, let's try that again. Okay, so we're trying Papa John's wings today. We only got 3 flavors. So I have the buffalo. I have the sweet Thai chili. It looks so good. And then I have this sauceless regular one. So let's see. I think it's so cute how they give you a little like section for your dip, you know? Okay, so I'm pairing it with the ranch. Let's see. I'm starting off with the buffalo. Buffalo. I love it. It's baked, so it's really good. It needs a little bit more sauce though, but okay. I like it. I definitely give the buffalo an 8 out of 10. So now I'm gonna try the original recipe. Let's see. Now this one just tastes like baked chicken, but it's good. It's not terrible. It's seasoned. It's good. So far, I'm loving it. Okay, now let's try the Thai chili. Fire. Yes. It's this one. This is it. I love it. I thought these were going to be terrible, but they're not. I haven't had Papa John's since I was in middle school. These things are good. The buffalo's my favorite. Go.